Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the split screen effect on CapCut PC. It's super simple. You are just going to select some videos. I'm just going to select these videos. Then let me just okay, it's fine. Then you are going to go to the mask section and you're going to select the mirror one and you're just going to rotate it like that. And you can just like move your videos to either the left or the right side so you guys can so you can see. If there's like this on the other picture, just select the horizontal mask and you're going to just split it this way. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.